Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your 1099 filings on QuickBooks. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you filed some 1099s and you want to go ahead and make sure that they've been sent or actually see a record of it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then go to where it says payroll and then click on contractors. Next, click on this button here that says view 1099 filings. And then this is going to show all your completed forms when it comes to your 1099 forms. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your 1099 filings on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.